行こうよ一人でも明日を捕まえる駆け出そう傍らに誰もいないでも逆にむしろその方がいい頭が悪くても覚悟はなしでも出かけてみせるさ日常シーズン2日常シーズン2I was able to get out of there, hopefully unseen by anyone who cares. And looks like my tires are fine as well. So now I just gotta find a place to cook. So yeah, I was climbing that hill right there. But then I realized I didn't have the energy to do so. So yeah, it's grub time right now. Also, I dropped my egg. You think I'm not going to eat it? Of course I'm going to eat it. Alright then, so Detroit. Will I take pretty cool shots of like a misunderstood city? Or will I be shot and killed? Either way works for me, to be honest. Anyways, let's go. Dude, the road just keeps on giving me stuff. Freaking first I found this apple beverage on the side of the road. It was open, but whatever, I'm thirsty. And then I found this jumbo honey bun, dude. And like, there's still air trapped inside, so it hasn't been opened. And it's not even melted, so it looks like someone just dropped this shit. This stuff. I'm sorry. Sorry for cursing. But yeah. Dang, dude. Nice. There was Detroit. There's trash everywhere. There's freaking broken down buildings everywhere you see. There's like these spots that they bring all the sewage residue into the air, and yeah, it smells like weed everywhere. However, not nearly as bad as LA.
Anybody tell me I can't fight?
So that was an interesting interaction. That gentleman, he just came up to me and he offered me a Coca-Cola. So I'm like, oh, all right, if you don't need it, yeah. So I take it, and yeah, we talked for quite a bit. He's also a hobo. He's actually he's one of them train hopping hobos.
That's really cool. That's something I don't know. I don't think I'd ever do it, but I have mad respect for people who can. He also had a dog named Gator. Very, very cute little boy, but yeah. It was really interesting to see different, viewpoint from a different type of hobo. So yeah, a lot of talking was had. Apparently he's ex-military. That's also something I look up to. And what else was I gonna say? Yeah, just a good chat, but it lasted over about 30 minutes in. He got really, really drunk, and his sentences got like completely incoherent. So I started thinking, yeah, I should probably go, but this is kind of a weird situation. And but eventually I got over it and I just left. So yeah, cool interaction with the Mr. TJ in Detroit. But I gotta go south, dude. What else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I also had a little bit of the funny juice with him, and oh yeah, and I did make him what I was eating for lunch, like half of it, and he threw it up. So he threw up my dinner, unfortunately, but whatever. Let's go.
When I die, put that bottle in my hand. All these years on earth, it was my only friend. When you dig a hole and gonna bury me, put that bottle of Jim Beam to rest beside me. All my life I've been living on the road.
Yo, they got a big boy here. So many big boys in freaking Japan, and in there's like with your meal you can get a free salad bar. It's unlimited curry, unlimited salad bar. Dude, they would go out of business in 2 seconds in America. Anyways, I'm gonna look for some food. It appears as if I've found the mother lode of all donuts. I know this is really gross to some people, but once you're hungry enough, man, this looks so good. I could be making some people puke right now, but like, to me it's like, freaking, if they're gonna be wasted anyway, I think it's the opposite of gross, because freaking I'm eliminating waste and feeding myself at the same time. I don't know. Got a couple more, but that I was gonna save for tomorrow, but then I decided it's probably not a good idea to leave those in my pack overnight, so I'm just gonna eat them now. And so I was thinking, freaking that dude actually that I talked to this afternoon, or briefly talked to, and then just listened to him go ramble. He's a train hopping hobo. He actually gets by thieving, by stealing, and I don't know. I don't like that. Also, he does a bunch of drugs, and I don't know about that, man. I mean, I don't see the point of doing that when there's all this food just laying around everywhere in a dumpster, and I don't know. Also, I don't think I want to do the life he's doing, just not being sober for most of your life, and depending on drugs and all that. I don't think that's the life for me. I mean, I'll do bum stuff. I'll sleep on the floor. I'll go into dumpsters and I'll eat the stuff right away. I'll do other bum stuff. What's the other bum stuff I do? I don't really know. But I don't want to steal. I don't want to freaking just throw my trash out that's in places that's not a trash can. And I don't want to do dope, I don't think that's for me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I got my 40 ounce and a system to overthrow. No one to worry about and nowhere to go. I traded in my hope for a hangover and a headache. I'm contemplating rope, but can't I not that great? But who needs love? Not me! Who needs friends? I got me! Who needs drugs? Me! Who needs sex? I got me! I got my 20 ounce and front row seats the parking lot.
Yeah, the sun's coming down, and there's no shoulder at all on this busy road. So, yeah, next sleeping place I find I'm gonna use. I actually thought that to myself like an hour ago, but haven't found any because of all these farms and houses. But you know, I'll have my day. I always get it.
Who needs sex? I got me!
Alright, I got a little spot right behind a freaking dumpster of a Family Dollar. Hopefully no one cares, really. I've seen a couple people see me, but I'm gonna actually check out this dumpster for any snacks. And before you think, oh, that's gross, don't do it. I got gloves, don't worry. Found some snacks, I did. Now I'm just gonna sit here and reflect on all my life choices while listening to all the explosions. I think my camera only managed to focus to get one of those fireworks, but whatever. You know what fireworks look like, we all do. But yeah, it's gonna sound like freaking Operation Desert Storm while I'm trying to sleep tonight. But you know what? I don't mind. We Americans love explosions, and I am no exception. I really like the sound of an explosion. It's annoyed me a couple times these past few nights, but I'll make the exception, for it is the birth of our great little land. Whatever. Anyway, good night to all. A Merry Christmas to all, and to all good night.